So today we have this S23 FE and its lens is chipped or cracked, so we will fix it today. So after heating the back, we will put some alcohol. And now we will open its back with this blade and this card. So make some space here and then try to put the card. Once the card is in there, just wipe it slowly. We will take out this lens cover here. Now put some alcohol here, and now with the help of blade and card, we need to take off this lens from the back glass. Heating it up and putting some alcohol, now we can easily just remove it like this. Now as we have a new part, we will put some glue on the corners here. So after putting the glue, we will put this lens cover here and press it gently. Now take off this sticker. Now we will just put the back glass on the fan. We will check the cameras. They are fine. That's it.